Hi friends. Sometimes if you switch on the laptop, at the time you will get an error message called alert. The AC power adapter wattage and type cannot be determined. The battery may not charge. The system will adjust the performance to match the power. Note this warning can be disabled in BIOS setup. I will show you how to do this. Simply click the BIOS setup option. Wait for a few seconds. It will go to the BIOS setup. In the BIOS window, you will get an option called post behavior. In the post behavior, you need to select adapter warnings. In this adapter warnings, you need to untick this. The enable adapter warnings you need to untick, and then select apply. Are you sure you want to apply your changes? Click OK and select exit. Now you can check. Yes, thank you. It's working.